This is not just a house. It is a statement of vision, discipline, and refined luxury. Set in the heart of Parisian inspiration, this residence blends timeless architecture with modern ambition. Every line, every material, every space is designed with intention. Today, we are not touring a home. We are stepping inside a lifestyle built to last.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The first impression is immediate and controlled. A Haussmann-inspired facade stands with quiet confidence. Limestone walls, tall arched windows, and iron balconies define its symmetry. Festive lighting is subtle, never excessive. Warm light glows from within, inviting without revealing too much. This exterior does not demand attention. The living room opens with scale and balance. Double-height ceilings allow the space to breathe. Emerald velvet seating contrasts with dark marble and gold accents. Natural daylight flows in, softened by warm ambient lighting. This is where conversations slow down and presence takes over. A space designed not for noise, but for impact. The master bedroom is calm, controlled, and intentional. Soft ivory linens meet rich textures and dark wood accents. A panoramic window frames the city beyond. This is not indulgence, it is restoration. Designed for focus, recovery, and clarity. Here, the day begins composed, and ends the same way. This kitchen is built for performance. Black marble surfaces anchor the space with authority. Matte cabinetry and integrated appliances maintain clean lines. Lighting is precise, functional, yet warm. Whether hosting or operating day to day, everything flows. No clutter. No excess. Only control. The mezzanine offers perspective. Overlooking the living space, it connects without intruding. Glass railings keep the design open and fluid. This is a place for reflection, not distraction. A pause between movement and intention. Micro-hook, below inspires, above transforms. The bathroom becomes a private ritual. White marble walls contrast against dark stone flooring. Gold fixtures add warmth, never flash. A freestanding tub invites stillness. Here, routine becomes restoration. Luxury, expressed quietly. The front yard balances structure with nature. Clean stone pathways guide movement. Manicured greenery softens the architecture. Festive lighting remains restrained, enhancing atmosphere. This is the transition, from world to home. The rooftop opens to the city. Panoramic views stretch across the skyline. Minimal furnishings keep the focus where it belongs. As day fades into night, the space comes alive. Not loud. Not crowded. Just elevated. Micro-hook, and focus demands solitude. This is where ideas become decisions. Dark wood, leather textures, controlled lighting. Every element supports concentration. No distractions. Only execution. A space built for momentum. The backyard is quiet and protected. Stone surfaces, curated greenery, soft lighting. Perfect for reflection, or private gatherings. Here, luxury feels personal. Not performed. This home is not defined by excess. It is defined by intention. Every space serves a purpose. Every detail reinforces balance. In a world chasing trends, this residence chooses permanence. Because true luxury is not loud. It is precise, composed, and timeless.